Seems to be there's something in the tailpipe of my truck. I don't exactly know what it is. Maybe a bird, maybe a bat. What's right here in this pipe? I'm gonna help him with the weight. Save the bird life. Watching. Here's the unveiling. Keep close watch. Woo! See that little guy? Saved your life, dude. Saved your life. You owe me. How'd you get in my tailpipe? I don't know. You rest up for a little bit. That little guy right there. He was down in there. Don't know how. So, as soon as you rest up, you go ahead and take off. Well, I did my good deed for the day. Saved that bird's life, so I'll wrap this up. Be my first YouTube video in Newsom's Garage. Bye.